Hey Margaret, it is Thursday, May 8th, and I have a friend who decided that she was going to be awesome and send me some mini wheats, which is something that I packed, but I don't think I packed enough of. So, in return, I am sending her a few things. She used to live here in Thailand, and so she has requested some Beng. So I got her a bunch of those. These barbecue peanuts. I haven't tried these yet, so I'm not sure if they're awesome or I don't know. I don't even know what country they're from. Can't quite tell the language. Maybe it's Thai, but I'm not sure. So those two. Broad beans. These are, they're kind of like a edamame bean that's been cooked or dried. I'm not really sure, cooked or dried, and then salted. So just like a salted peanut or a salted nut. But they're broad beans, and everyone seems to really love them here. And then she requested some hard candy. So I got her some of these hard candies here. Yeah, so she is going to really enjoy this box of Bengs and goodies here. I'll be sending that to her. So it's been kind of crazy weather, and I wanted to show you kind of what's been going on every day and every couple of, seems like every hour or every two. So check this out. Alright, so right now you're kind of witnessing a freak all of a sudden downpour. Oh, there's some lightning. Okay. Alright, well, 2 seconds ago it wasn't raining, and now, holy crap. Yep, that was thunder. That was thunder. Oh, Thailand. And here we go again. The rain has started once again. The sky is completely white with rain. Oh, there was some lightning. So, here I am at the mall here in my city. It's kind of a giant monstrosity. It's got everything though. I'm drinking bubble tea. Bubble tea is great. Just had coffee with Lauren, and it was awesome seeing her. First time in 2 months. So that was great. How is it even possible that you made such an awesome workout video? So 80s, so awesome. Well done. Congrats.